This double SSD enclosure seemed to be the perfect solution to fast backups with rising prices of external solid-state drives. If you're using one of these to save money, you might in fact be doing the opposite. In this video, I will show you how I used this enclosure successfully for 3 months with incredible backup speeds. Then I will show you how and why this enclosure failed prematurely. Next, I will show you how this failure could have cost me many times the cost of the enclosure itself. Last but not least, I will show you how the manufacturer has completely ignored my warranty requests and has failed to offer any solutions to the failed drive enclosure. Last year, I upgraded my laptop hard drive from a 1 terabyte drive to a 4 terabyte drive, as I showed in a video. When prices dropped again, I bought an additional 4 terabyte drive for backups. I swapped the new drive to my computer, leaving me with the other 4 terabyte and the original 1 terabyte drive to be combined into one 5 terabyte drive in the Maiwo enclosure. I got it for $80 and it was fast. A full backup of more than 1.4 terabyte took only about 25 minutes versus at least 4 hours with a conventional backup drive. I was quite pleased, and I had actually started to make a YouTube video about this experience. My excitement was completely ruined, as after only 3 months of light use, the enclosure completely stopped working. I had noticed that the case got very hot after every single backup, even short backups. So I've become accustomed to turning it off after each use. But now it won't turn on at all. After the enclosure failure, I immediately checked the SSD drives. It was a huge relief to find my drives operating normally.
Oh yeah.
As you may know, the AI explosion has caused a severe shortage and a huge increase of memory chips. I was lucky the heat buildup didn't fry my hard drives. The response from the manufacturer has been quite disappointing. I contacted them, described the problem, and asked about the warranty. I got this email response. I uploaded an unpublished YouTube video describing the entire troubleshooting. After quite a wait time, I got this response. They never answered my warranty question, but I have since found it in their Amazon listing. It does have a 1-year warranty. So I sent them a screen clip of their own published warranty information. Several days later, literally as I'm making this video, I got an unbelievable response from Maiwo. Read this. Wow, I have never seen a warranty handled like this. They want me to buy another unit, and then they will decide if I get a refund for the defective unit? Are they out of their minds, or completely bonkers? Or perhaps they think that I am. Whether I'm crazy or not, they sure do make it easy to make recommendations for you. Save your money and do not buy Maiwo products. I will have another video in a few days showing you a much better product for backups. Thank you for watching.